Welcome back to Product Zone. Today we're gonna unbox and test out this mini portable vacuum sealer. This thing got a good review and it's gonna come in really handy. Charging time 2.7 hours, long duration. It'll last about 80 minutes. Listen, if you have a lot of stuff and you want to keep it in your freezer or you want to make sure you're not wasting your food, this is a great idea. What's in the box? They send you a bunch of their freezer bag, and you can see this is it. It's a good size. And right here, we're going to be putting our vacuum sealer. This right here is our vacuum sealer. You can see how small it is. Really mini. We got a power button and we got the plug there. And it comes with 2 wine sealers, so you could seal your wine off. And you get a button to press to push down. So that's pretty cool. I like that. Comes with a USB charger. You got your instruction. And we're going to test it out. We're going to put it on right now. So we got our stuff in here. And what we're going to do, make sure you zip lock it in the top. It's a really good quality bag. Like that. You can see how big it is and air. A lot of air in there and trapped in there. We're ready to seal tight our radishes so we could put them in the freezer. We got this little gadget. We're going to press the power button. And let's see. Oh, I can already see it suck. It's like pulling the air out, making it tight. Look at that. I didn't even charge this thing yet, so hopefully it has enough power to pull it out, but it does look like it. Wow. Oh, that is incredible. And it stopped by itself. Alright, so that was easy and epic. Holy smoke. I'm impressed. I am really impressed with this. Listen, I have a lot of stuff in my garden, so this will come in really handy. I will freeze all my stuff, use these bags, and literally pull out all the air. And this here will last for a long time. And look, you could fold it and store it anywhere. It takes less space in your fridge or freezer. This is a genius idea. And for more price and details, check in the description box. This thing is lightweight, good quality, charges fast, and you could see proof. Incredible job. Listen, highly recommend this on Product Zone. Love this. Whenever I buy a next bottle of wine, I really get to test this out. I'm impressed with this. I love it. Really honest review always here on Product Zone, and I appreciate anyone who subscribed. It's 100% free. Buy stuff. Watch and learn more about the product before buying it right here on Product Zone and everything. Check in a link in the description. It takes you right to Amazon.